Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys are all having a blessed day. And as always, we're going to start with all the repeat buys. So I did get some Scent Booster, the 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener, the Palm Olive Soft Touch dish soap, the custom paper towels, 2 of the bath tissues. I did get a Good Scent handles bag. They're vanilla scented. I love those bags. A 30 pack of the aluminum foil sheets. Love these as well. Repurchased these lighters. I got a Tahitian Breeze scent Renews It air freshener. Today I did make a new purchase at the Dollar Tree because I have got them in the past at Walmart. But measuring cups and spoons, 8 pieces. And I got a AAA battery, a AA battery, and I also picked up some of these Scrub Buddies, and today they had the bonus pack, so I got 3 quick erasers, these magic erasers, and that is so true. They remove crayons and all kinds of stuff. Anything your kid will throw at you, these will remove. So I picked up all these repurchases. These are more of the health and beauty repeat purchases. They have changed the packaging on these, but these are my favorite headbands from the Dollar Tree. I wear them all the time, but they get stretched out, they break, 3 for $1. I needed some of these Assured brand safety swabs for Connor. He picked the blue ones. I got the cotton rounds, the 100 count cotton balls. I got him the kids foaming bubble bath. It's a watermelon scent. This stuff is awesome. 20 fluid ounces for $1. It suds super well. Lingers the entire bathtub playtime. Really good. I did pick up another Assured brand Code and Flu. The daytime one. Like I said before, I always buy daytime and nighttime together and end up never taking the nighttime. So I have a cabinet full of nighttime stuff. I prefer the daytime. I don't like to be drowsy. I got a Secret deodorant, a Assured brand instant hand sanitizer, and then I did get these designer paper cups. You get 36 in here, and these are for when Connor gets done brushing his teeth. I wish they had the character cups still, but these will do. They're really cute. They'll be really cute in the bathroom, by the way. From Tool Bench, I found these window installation kits. I got 2 of those, and I got a precision screwdriver set. And now Connor really loves picking up stuff for the doggies now, so he got them some sausages in a blanket. And this dog toy, it's like a tennis ball, but it squeaks too. And then it also has a squeaker in its tail. This is some Christmas food, candy items. I did pick up some premium chocolates. I'm going to give this as a gift. And also this one, the caramel peanut crisp clusters. Nice little additions to gifts. And then we did pick up some of these Code Stone Breamery candy canes. It's like a 6-pack here. And then some stocking stuffers I picked up. This is Santa's sack, and it has peanut butter cups in there, double crisp, like Santas, and I believe these are maybe fudge or peanut butter, 3 different kinds in there. And then these little milk chocolate Santas and snowmen for stocking stuffers. My Dollar Tree finally had the bath mats back in stock. They had 3 different designs to choose from. This is the one I chose. It has the black and cream, and it has flowers on it. I don't know, best went with my theme. And some Christmassy items. I found the LED projector light, and I'm wrapping that up for Connor because that is too cool. It has effects, it says. And this squishy strawberry. And then I did find this for Allie. It's a little cooking set. How cute. Oh, and almost forgot. I picked up this Grover's First Day at School. And it's a cute little Sesame Street storybook. And I thought that would be good for Connor. And now we're going to get into the really awesome finds. I found Children's Place at the Dollar Tree. This is not new, but this is the first time that I have been there, and they had this. The shirt was priced at $10.50. Of course, got it for $1. But this is a white tee, and it says it's going to be a kind of day. So you got pizza, gaming, and dabbing. And then this one, the price on it. Also $10.50, and this is an animated shirt, so if you do a little scan there, but it's a spaceship shirt. It's black and it's long sleeves. So I thought that was really cool. And then he needed a few socks, so I picked up this 3-pack for him, and these are, they have 1 through 5 on them. Game over. There is a white pair and a black and green striped pair. Can never beat. That is a really good deal. They are thin, but it's, I personally prefer these socks, the thinner ones, over the thicker ones. So I was really happy with finding the Children's Place. These are the 2 I picked. They did have a ton of other designs, and that's really exciting. Children's Place for $1. Quick camera change, but I found some really awesome new beauty kind of finds and a new coloring book, and I wanted to share them up close with you. But I have the 60s coloring book, and that's the only decade I could find there. But this in the 80s one is probably the most one that I would want overall. So I thought this was a really neat book. So I picked that up obviously for myself, and it would have been cool if they had a 90s one. I think they also had, in some stories, decade makeup from LA Colors. I did not find that today, but that's okay. I did find some really cool Bath Treasures bath bombs, and this is in Galactic Vanilla Berry, are white and pink. They smell amazing through the packaging. This is also new to me, Starry Sky. These are green and white. They smell amazing. My child loves bath bombs, so it was like a no-brainer to grab those. I only picked up 1 candle, but it is in the Luminescence Peppermint Starlights candle. And this is 3 ounces. It's in an oval shape this year. They may have done this in the past, but this is the first one I bought in the oval shape. This smells amazing. Best holiday candle from there, in my opinion. Besides anything like maple. I did pick up a new little cosmetic bag, and I just thought that was absolutely stunning. I had one picked up that said inspired, and they also had the avocado ones, but the floral print gets me every single time. Absolutely love this, and I think this would make great gifts or stocking stuffers. Okay, I was hoping I'd find this today, and I did. It's the Shadow Switching Sponge, and it's from Sassy and Chic. Very cute packaging. I can't wait to test that out. And then also from Sassy and Chic, I picked up the cuticle oil and nail strengthener, and I was hoping they also would have this today, so I was really happy to find it. I can't wait to give that a go. And then the next couple items and last are from LA Colors. So I did find the nail polishes with the nail files that everyone has been hauling, and I got the holographic one. This one is called Glitz. It's stunning. It's beautiful. And then I picked up, finally found an LA Colors lip scrub, and this one is in Cool Mint. And then from LA Colors new, I found lip oils, which these lip oils are on the website, I believe. Maybe a different version of this, but these lip oils in general, $3 I believe on their website. Good find. They had all the scents there, but I chose vanilla, and I can't wait to try these out, and watermelon. And I kind of regret not grabbing the mint, to be honest. But yes, these are my Dollar Tree finds for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more hauls. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box out for additional Dollar Tree links. Keep you busy all fall long, you guys. And thank you always for watching.